How to free up space in Google Photos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to free up space in Google Photos. So to do this procedure, you could go ahead and open up your Google Photos app first thing first. And next thing what you can do is go ahead and open up your collections tab, go to bin. So if you delete the items that's in your bin, then this is also going to help you out to space. So go ahead and select all of the photos and items that's like that's on your bin, and this is going to help you free up your space. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also go ahead and you can also go ahead and get a premium plan. So you could go ahead and open up Google One, and this is going to help you out to free up your space, or you could go ahead and get a subscription as well. Likewise, you could also go ahead and clear out some of the unnecessary photos that's stored into your gallery. This way you could go ahead and delete all of the photos. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.